If you ask any band, playing abroad is always an awaited event. From feeling that you can bring your music to more people, to feeling privileged to do your job while traveling, to the excitement of a new experience, and generally the type of experience that can bring in a lot of new inspiration. BAJ. From a so-called traditional music experience, a lot of people would probably look for authenticity, something timeless, a testimonial from another culture. In many traditional communities, musicians and artists are part of any big event. Weddings, celebrations, births, mourning, or shape daily life around fairs, harvests, evenings by the fire. They are both part of a community and a reflection of its values. But when it comes to music, that tradition doesn't only live in specific instruments, in ancestral untouched songs, or in almost forgotten tunes. It doesn't nourish itself from separation or ethnicity. Tradition is the constant and ever-changing connection we create between humans. It's the magical, short-lived moment we allow ourselves to share. Allium. Along the ages, we've considered artists capable of traveling between the worlds as the ones that get their inspiration from the realm of gods, their role in society being also to bring into form that intangible spark of inspiration, that magical message whispered from the other side of the veil, and to bring it into something that anyone could enjoy, maybe learn from. Was that in the form of music, poetry, a drawing, maybe a rhythm? If we can open doors between the seen and the unseen, then certainly it's up to us to build the bridges between people and cultures. When we come together with an audience, whenever and wherever that is, the living tradition is the one we create together. Assemblés. Iriu et Deves Kedes Wingolo. Happy equinox. May you find Kempwes Hagezon in your life. Kenavo Kentatro.